How to upload Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload Jupyter Notebook to your GitHub. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Jupyter Notebook. You can download Jupyter Notebook or open up the web app itself. You can use the web version of Jupyter Notebook as well. So after you're on Jupyter Notebook, first you will need to download the file. Now, if you want to upload this very Jupyter Notebook, you can either just copy a shareable link and then upload it to your GitHub repository. Now, let me just head over to my repository, and I've already created a repository called Jupyter. So I'll just head over there, and there you will see an option to add file. Now, I can upload a file here. So to upload a file, all I need to do is download this very file. So to download the file, I'll just right click on it, and there you should find the download option. Tap on download, and there we go. I just downloaded the code, and if I tap on this code, it will just take me here as well. I can use this and yeah, just simply add it, but I'll just add this file. Tap on upload file. Now you can drag and drop the core file from your Jupyter Notebook, and after you drop, you can just commit to change. You can commit, and then it should start processing, and that is how you upload your Jupyter Notebook to your GitHub. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.